First, we'll start with the AR15 with a 50-round magazine. Now let's listen to the gunfire from the Mandalay Hotel. That was a 10-second live fire from the Mandalay Bay into the crowd. As you may have noticed, that was about twice the time as the 50-round magazine in the test sound that we ran. So let's run a 100-round magazine on an AK47. Now here's one with a 100-round magazine with the AR-15 in a test fire. Here comes the second round of gunfire from the Mandalay Bay. Now, not to be a skeptic, but there's a lot of difference in the sound of that rapid fire. It almost sounds like more than one weapon. I'm sure there are those that'll say, well, that sounds normal because there's echoes. Okay, if you say so. One more time, listen to the live fire.